how to install QGIS in Windows 11. So that's what I'm going to show you guys in the super quick and easy tutorial. So without further ado, let us begin. So first, just search up for QGIS in your web browser, and then once you're here, just click on this download link right here. And then after that, what you want to do is to just click on skip it and go to download. And then from here, what you want to do is to choose what version you want to download for your QGIS application. So you can use the long-term version or the latest version. So for me, I'll just download the latest version right here. So I'll just click on this link, and then after that, QGIS will now start to download. So just wait for this to finish. And then when it's done installing, just open up the application or the installer. And then after that, what you want to do is to just complete this setup installation. So just click on next. I accept the terms in the license agreement, then click on next. Choose your destination folder. Click on next, and then lastly just click on install, and then just wait for the installation to finish. And then once it's done, just click on finish, and then there you go, you now have QGIS installed. And then in your desktop over here, you'll also have a QGIS folder in where you can access all of their applications right here, and then you are pretty much done. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to install QGIS on Windows 11.